the National Security Minister is also previewing his mid-year budget statement. Today, he declared that more funds will be needed to facilitate the national law enforcement operation. The government approved 35 vehicles for the Royal Bahamas Police Force already, and more funds will be allocated to install closed-circuit television or CCTV across the capital by year's end.
A new batch of 70-something or so people under training. The prison has about 50 new people in training. The police are to have an additional 50 to 60 people in training very soon. And so, although the financing is planned in our budget, the government will need to find the cash to begin paying their salaries and so forth. But we don't have any very high demand for funds that are not included in the budget.
Senior Justice John Isaacs has branded the actions of police officers who failed to ensure a prisoner was taken to court for his adjourned hearings on Abaco on at least 4 occasions as, quote, an abuse of process, end quote. The accused, Ronnie Baptiste, alleged that he was not taken back to court after being arraigned because the prosecution didn't have a voluntary bill of indictment ready, and he thought he would have been discharged had he been brought before the court on the date of the final adjournment. Justice Isaacs indicated in a written ruling that the actions of police officers involved in the case represented a blatant and extremely serious interference with the administration of justice and an equally serious failure to adhere to the rule of law. He further noted that officers Colley, Hall, and Bannister may have committed an offense and there may be consequences. The matter is now in the hands of the Attorney General.